I've been craving some peach cobbler, so I'm gonna make some peach cobbler real quick. I'm using frozen peaches because I don't have any fresh peaches right now. It's better with fresh, but frozen work too. So we're gonna go into our pot with 4 cups of peaches. Along with our 4 cups of peaches, we're gonna throw in a cup of sugar. 1 cup of sugar. And we're also going to put in 1 tablespoon of lemon juice. Now we're going to bring that up to a simmer and let it simmer while we work on our other ingredients. We're going to go ahead and preheat our oven to 375. Now I've cut up a half a cup, 1 stick or half a cup of butter and put it in my 9x13 dish. And I'm gonna put it in the oven so that it can be melting. So we don't want the butter to burn, but we do want it to melt. Now for the dry ingredients, I have 1 cup of all-purpose flour. I have 1 cup of white sugar. I have 1 tablespoon of baking powder and 1/4 teaspoon of salt. And I'm going to kind of mix those together, and then whenever the butter is melted in my dish, I'm going to add 1 cup of milk to these dry ingredients and mix it with a spoon real well. And we'll pull the pan with the melted butter out and we'll pour in the batter here that we're mixing with the dry ingredients and the milk. And then on top of that, we'll pour the peaches that we've been simmering on top of the stove. This is totally up to you. I go through with these scissors while they're simmering. You can do this before you ever put them in the pot, but I like to chop the peaches up a little bit and not leave them in whole pieces, but that's personal preference. Another thing you can do if you want, it's not part of the original recipe, you can sprinkle in a little bit of cinnamon and a little bit of nutmeg if you prefer. Sometimes I do, and sometimes I don't. I don't think I am tonight. I'm just going with the original recipe, which does not include cinnamon or nutmeg. All right, my butter is melted and I'm getting ready to take it out of the oven. So I'm gonna go ahead and add my cup of milk to the dry ingredients and get all of that stirred up and incorporated. And then we will come back whenever I pour this into the pan. All right, I've got my pan out with the melted butter. I'm gonna take my batter and pour it into the pan over the top of the melted butter. And now we're gonna get these peaches that have been simmering and pour those on top of the batter. Hopefully without making a mess, since I'm trying to do this with 1 hand and hold the phone with the other hand. I'm gonna dump it in, peaches, juice and all, everything's going into the pan. Now, I'm gonna put this in the oven and bake it in the oven at 375 degrees for 45 minutes or until it's your desired color of golden brown on top. All right, my cobbler is ready, and I'm just gonna let it cool a little bit. Then it'll be ready for some homemade vanilla bluebell ice cream on top. And here's that recipe with the ingredients for those of you that want it. Yeah, I hope you enjoy it. And I hope you subscribe to my channel and like the video. And please share with your friends and leave me some comments. Thank you.